Lesson 1, Support Horticultural Work. Learning outcome number 1, prepare materials, tools, and equipment for horticultural production work. Paano ba ihahanda ang mga agricultural tools, equipment, and materials para sa produksyon o ng mga halaman o sa paghahalamanan? Learning Competency 1.1, identify the required materials, tools, and equipment according to list provided and/or teachers or supervisors instructions. Ano-ano ba ang mga ihahandang kasangkapan at kagamitan sa pagsasaka? Depende sa kung ano ang pangailangan. Farm tools, implements, and equipment play very important role in agricultural crop production. Their availability makes the work easier and faster. Sobrang bagal ng trabaho kapag wala itong mga agricultural hand tools, implements, and equipment. Hindi natin maibibigay ang sapat na dami ng pagkain na inaasahan sa agrikultura kung ang mga kagamitan at kasangkapang ito ay wala. However, even if one may have the most sophisticated tools and implements but does not know how to use them, they are useless. It is not enough that we have the supply of agricultural tools, implements, and equipment, but we must have the knowledge and skill on how to use them for us to achieve food security. In order to do crop production operations successfully, one must have a good working knowledge of the tools, implements, and equipment before using them. It has been mentioned earlier that tools, implements, and equipment facilitate work conveniently, but then a user must bear in mind that knowledge on the usability of these tools lead a safe and successful endeavor. Before using any of the tools, implements, and equipment, always check whether or not they are still usable or serviceable. Always check or refer to the manual of operations as prescribed by the manufacturer for other tools and equipment that are new to you. Always ask the assistance of skilled operator whenever necessary. Do not try to operate an equipment if you have little or no skill of operating it. Do not experiment. You might injure yourself or damage the equipment, which might be too expensive. Tools that are defective should be separated and be fixed immediately to avoid accident. Let us have first the definition of terms. Hand tools. These are objects that are usually light and are used without the help of animals and machines. Kung mga gamit na mano-mano kung ating gagamitin. Farm implements. These are accessories pulled by animals or mounted to the machineries to make the work easier. Equipment. Power tool machine used in farming. Let us start with the various equipment. The first one is hand tractor. Hand tractor is used to pull a plow and harrow in preparing a large area of land. Nagamit ang hand tractor sa pag-aararo at pagsuyod ng taniman, lalo na ng palayan. Number 2, four-wheel tractor. This is used to pull disc plow land. Ito ay mas maganda sa hand tractor ito ay may kamahalan. Tulad ng hand tractor, maaaring gamitin ito pang-araro sa pamamagitan ng pagkabit ng disc sa bandang likuran. Pwede rin naman itong pangsuyod sa pamamagitan ng pagkabit ng rotavator sa bandang likod. Number 3, water pumps. These are used to draw irrigation water from a source. Ang water pump ay may iba't ibang uri, ngunit isa lang ang ginagamitan nito. Ito ay para higupin ang tubig mula sa isang lugar, punta sa isang lugar na nangangailangan ng supply ng tubig. May mga pagkakataon na kailangan ng abunuhan ang palayan, ngunit wala pa ang ulan, kaya mas mainam na may water pump na magagamit. Mas maganda kapag mas malapad ang taniman ay diesel ang gatong o ang fuel ginagamit ng water pump. Ngunit may mga bagong labas ngayon na ang water pump kung saan ito ay solar powered. Wala ng gastos sa fuel. Farm implements. The first one from the list is the plows o ang mga araro. Ito ay kilala sa tawag na araro. These are farm implements used in horticultural operations, either pulled by a working animal or a tractor. Plow is specifically used for tilling large areas, making furrows o ang paggawa ng daanan ng tubig and inter-row cultivation. Plows pulled by working animals are made of either a combination of metal or wood or pure metal. They are used to till areas with a shallower depth than that of disc plows which are pulled by tractors. Medyo mababaw lang ang pag-araro kapag ang gamit ay plow o ang araro, kung ikukumpara sa four-wheel tractor na mas malalim yung pagkabungkal sa lupa. Now, there are other materials, tools, and equipment that are used in production or crop production. Number 1, water pail or timba. This is used for hauling water. This is used for hauling manure at saka sa paghako ng mga fertilizers. Organic man yan o inorganic. Another material or tool is the sprinkler. This is used for watering seedlings and young plants. Number 3, wheelbarrow. This is used for hauling trash, mga basura, manures, hauling fertilizers, and planting materials. Number 4, sprayers for spraying insecticides, foliar fertilizers, fungicides, and herbicides. Ang sprayers ay maaaring semi-automatic, mukhang stainless na nakikita ninyo sa inyong screen. Ngunit kailangan ito bombahin o bigyan ng pressure para magkaroon ito ng pressure. Pwede rin ito na ang sprayer natin ay battery operated at rechargeable, ang kulay asul na nasa inyong screen. O pwede rin naman na ang sprayer ay di gasolina, yung nasa bandang itaas ng inyong screen. Hand tools. Number 1 from the list is the bolo, or this is used for cutting of grasses and weeds, loosening and pulverizing the soil. Bolo is a must for a farmer since farming involves clearing of the planting site most of the time. Number 2 hand tool is the crowbar. This is used for digging big holes and for digging out big stones and stumps. This tool is widely used in making planting beds in order to elevate the planting area, most especially during rainy season where there is a rise of water level. Next hand tool is the pick mattock or pico. This is used for digging canals, breaking hard topsoil, and for digging up stones and tree stumps. Together with crowbar, this tool is oftentimes used in making planting bed or plot. Next from the list is the grab hoe. This is used for breaking hard topsoil and pulverizing soil. Next tool is the shovel. Shovel is used in removing trash, digging loose soil, moving soil from one place to another, and for mixing soil media. This tool can easily scoop soil than spade. Next tool is the rake. Rake is used for cleaning the ground and leveling the topsoil. Hand trowel. This is used for loosening the soil around the growing plants and putting small amount of manure in the soil. This can be used in transplanting of seedlings. Hand cultivator is used for cultivating the garden plot by loosening the soil and removing young weeds around the plant.